Unlocking the secrets of the cell cycle. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of language and science. Today, we're exploring a term from biology that's crucial to understanding how life works at a microscopic level: the cell cycle. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about science, understanding this term is key to unlocking the mysteries of cellular processes. So, let's get started and break down what the cell cycle means in simple terms. The cell cycle is a series of events that take place in a cell, leading to its division and duplication, replication. It's like the life story of a cell, from the moment it's born from a parent cell until it grows, matures, and divides to create new cells. This cycle is fundamental to the growth, development, and repair of organisms. Think of it as the cell's own life cycle, similar to how a caterpillar transforms into a butterfly, except this cycle keeps repeating. The cell cycle is made up of several distinct phases, each with a critical role. 1. Interphase. This is the preparation phase where the cell grows and copies its DNA. It's divided further into 2. G1 phase, growth 1. 3. S phase, synthesis, where DNA is synthesized or made. 4. G2 phase, growth 2. 5. Meiotic phase, M phase. Here, the cell actually divides, and it has two sub-stages. 6. Mitosis, where the cell's nucleus divides. 7. Cytokinesis, where the cell's cytoplasm splits and forms two new cells. Understanding these phases helps us see how cells function and replace old or damaged cells with new ones. It's like a cellular relay race, where each phase passes the baton to the next until new cells cross the finish line. The cell cycle is not just about cell division, it's vital for growth. Our bodies grow by increasing the number of cells. Repair. Cells replace those that have been damaged or died. Regeneration. Some organisms can regenerate parts of their bodies, thanks to cell division. In short, the cell cycle is essential for the survival and thriving of almost all living organisms. That wraps up our exploration of the cell cycle. We've learned that it's the life cycle of a cell, involving growth, DNA replication, and division. This process is vital for growth, healing, and maintenance of all living things. I hope this video has been informative and gives you a clearer picture of the incredible processes that occur within our bodies and in nature every moment. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.